Okay, Josh, so you're asking how we knew it was a buy, right? So first and foremost, you have to go back all the way to last week, okay? If you go to last week's weekly market breakdown, right, we had this double top here. We wanted to see retrace into the neckline, at least at 382, right? Go up, retest that previous support, now term resistance, and then continue down to our extension levels here, okay? And as you can see, we hit them, right? So if you go down now structurally, okay, and you're looking for your patterns here, you see that, right? We created this double top, we retraced, continued down. We did not break that low, right? We created a higher low there. So structurally on that 1 hour time frame, you're looking to go up then, right? You're looking to buy. So what ended up happening? Bought up, right? Came down, retraced again, right? To at least the 380.2. Continued up 255th, right? Created this double top formation here, fell, retraced again, fell some more. Okay, so these ended up playing out nicely. Okay, now when you're here, you're sitting around 1475. Okay, those buys that I had placed were from Friday. Okay, so that's something to pay attention to as well. So we had price hovering right around that 1475 region there. Okay. Okay. Price is hovering around those regions. Okay. Big wicks down. Okay, you're going down here. Okay, and then you begin to push up and you break back above that level now. Okay. And as you can see, that's around where I got in. Okay. And price came back down to it again. And then pushed up, right? We began to then push up. Okay. The market actually closed like 1498, right? That actually might have been where I entered. Okay. You go to, yeah, that was where I entered it on. Okay. And that was off of a fib here. Right. Price failed to go down, break those lows. Okay. We did have a double top here. So that's something to look out for though. All right. What price did on that market open, right? Gapped up, came all the way back down, 1583, and then went up again, right? Failed to break those lows again. So those positions that I had were actually from Friday. But if you're monitoring gold, right, on your hourly time frame for structured stuff, you can see, right, that it's nothing special, right? You came all the way back down to the 61.8 here, right? Your position would look something like this, right? Once you actually, break above these levels here, then you can move your stops, break even in profit to here or something like that. And then you'll continue this trade up, right? Nothing crazy. The reason I had 1541 targeted, it is a part of my trading plan. TP1 is at 1516, TP2 would be at 1541. So then we just let structure and let the market play itself out, okay? So what is it doing here, right? And how you can add confirmations here, right? We came all the way back down to that 50 moving average and we immediately rejected above it, okay? So maybe it's finding support on that, and that can give us some confirmation that the market is going to continue up. Okay, big wick up, broke the 55 EMA as well as the 8 EMA, crossed over the 18 EMA, right? So some added confluence in there, right? TP1 would have gotten a hit on this candle here, came back, retraced again. Okay, maybe you see this double bottom here. So after a double bottom, what can you expect? Retrace, right? And further continuation up. So, that is where we are currently. So whenever we bottom out here, we can begin to kind of look for that retracement into the 382. Okay, possibly look for further continuation up on this. I see this probably going to at least 1560. I mean, probably up towards the top of this region here. 1563 to like 1565. But that's how, right? Focusing on just sticking to your play, man. Focus also on these key levels, right? These key levels are very, very important. The institutional levels, they'll always get hit. Okay, so if you can monitor them and you can monitor price action, okay, and you understand what the candles mean, right? When price pushed and maintained, right, it pushed up. Guess what? It failed to break those lows on the 4 hour, right? Ever so slightly higher, but higher, right? Push up, came back down, found support, right? There's also a Fibonacci in play here to 61.8, right? Also above that institutional level, right below this one. It's about adding everything together, man. That's how I do, right? And I told you all in the Zooms this weekend that I believed that gold was going to gap up, right? Based on the market watch to at least 1503, and ended up gapping up to 1508, right? And then you of course, you expect it. The market can only move one way for so long, so you would expect it to come back down and go up. Okay, and that's what happened. So I found it. This helps.